Hello and welcome back to Somebody Else's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making mayonnaise and vegan mayonnaise. So you can skip ahead if you just want the vegan one. I'm going to start with a regular one. Like my dress, it was my mom's. A little off era for me. I think it's the 70s. But it's a sunny day and I brought it along. So if you've ever been disappointed with store-bought mayonnaise or can't find vegan mayonnaise, this video might be for you. Let's begin. So for regular vegetarian mayonnaise, you are going to need some kind of non-olive oil. I have never made this before, just to be clear, my first time, and all the instructions online say that olive oil is too strong to use for mayonnaise, so they recommend some other kind of oil. I got sunflower oil, red or white wine vinegar, which I think I got. If you missed any of my other videos, I'm in Holland right now and I don't speak Dutch, and I went to the store alone, so hoping it's white wine vinegar. Mustard, which you could also make yourself, and I considered, but you know what, one thing at a time, we'll do that in another video. Never done it before, so there's another video. Salt. I hope this one works. It's all I could find in the house. Optionally, some lemon juice, preferably fresh. Last but not least, and not optional if you're making the non-vegan version of mayonnaise, eggs. So let's begin. I have my recipe right here, so I will be referring to that since I've never made this before. It calls for 1 large egg, but if your chickens don't lay large eggs, compensate. I'm using 2 small eggs. Whoa, look what I did. Okay. I'm going to pulse it on low for about 20 seconds. Next, I'm going to add the other ingredients except the oil. The oil gets added last and very, very slowly. 1 tablespoon of mustard, homemade or store-bought. That's about right? 1 tablespoon of your red or white wine vinegar. Let me know if you do it the red wine way. I'd really like to know if that turns out pink or something, or orange. 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Maybe not this kind of salt. I'm going to add that optional teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm going to pulse that all for 20 more seconds. Now we're going to need a cup of that oil. Wish me luck as I drip this into the bowl that I will be mixing. You may wish to put on some kind of apron. I feel much safer. So apparently what you do is drip it in, drip, 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 for a little while, and then when it seems to be going okay, you can speed it up into a slow dribble and keep going. Well, that looks like mayonnaise. Let's see if it tastes like mayonnaise. I think the mustard was a little strong, but it's edible. Yeah, strong mustard. But I would use that as a condiment. So, cool. Now I know how to make that. And then, when you feel like being adventurous, you can add in garlic and make aioli, or some spicy stuff and make it spicy, or herbs, or wow, there's so much to do. This is great. Ah, I can make mayonnaise now. I'm going to pour my new mayonnaise into this lovely little jar, which you might recognize, but is not the same jar because I had 2 different desserts in the same jar. This one was filled with a chocolate mousse. And now I'm going to clean up and do the vegan version. I will try not to, well, who cares, because I'm not really vegan. There might be traces of egg in mine, but not in yours. Why did I even wash those spoons? There's a whole drawer of spoons behind me. That was a dumb waste of time. So turning it over to the vegan side. All right. Yeah. Same process, although we are using soy milk. I'm going to blend everything together except for the oil and then add that oil nice and slow. For this, I need a half a cup of soy milk. I'm sorry, it's not exactly like the other one. In this one, we also have apple cider vinegar, which I hope this is. 2 teaspoons of your apple cider vinegar, or whatever this is. I'm gonna, 2 teaspoons is like a tablespoon, right? I don't know. You'll have half a teaspoon of salt. Again, probably not the kind I'm using. It's very big. Again, you'll need 1 cup of oil. I'm going to pre-pour that. Well, that's a lot of oil. I'm surprised there's no mustard in this one, actually. But I guess you can add it if you want it, so. Ooh, looks promising. Ew, oh no. I'm losing mayonnaise. Yes. Actually, that's got the same strange taste. I guess that's not the mustard. Must be the oil. Okay, I don't recommend sunflower oil unless you like that taste. Okay. Well, yes, that worked out as well. Look at that. It's very mayonnaise-y. Looks more mayonnaise-y than the other mayonnaise. I guess they both look mayonnaise-y. Well, that worked out. I'm gonna put that in another jar. Sadly, I ran out of these other cute jars. So there we have it, homemade mayonnaise, whether you're a vegan or not. I have to say I'm quite proud of myself. But I'm gonna have a lot of sandwiches to eat in the next week. By the way, apparently both of these will last up to a week in the refrigerator. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm glad it went well. I'm glad there were no disasters, although that would have been more entertaining probably. But let me know if you make some mayonnaise of your own. Let me know what other things you put in your mayonnaise to make it awesome. I'm definitely gonna experiment with putting different things in and making aioli. I love aioli. I'm not sure if the people in my house like aioli, but I like aioli, so I'm gonna make some aioli. Thank you for joining me again. Please like and subscribe and put your comments below what else I could make at home. I mean, it's an endless list, but maybe you've thought of something that I haven't. So tell me, because I want to know how to make everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.